Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is the Kshatriya Amita. This channel is specifically for BSc Agriculture honors students. Whatever the courses related to agriculture, extension, education, and communication that going to videos I uploaded here. So this particular topic we are going to discuss under the course number extension 111, course title Rural Sociology and Educational Psychology, and topic for discussion is social control. So previously we discussed about the 7 topic we completed. Now we are going to discuss about our 8 number topic from this particular syllabus, that is the social control. So in this today's class we are going to discuss that is a meaning of social control, its definition, need of social control, what are the means of social control, and some important question. So let's start our today's topic, that is the social control. So what is the social control? Meaning of social control. So meaning of social control is nothing but it is the pattern of influence the society, okay, on the individual and group to maintain the order and establish the rules in the society. So it influences the behavior of the individual and group for what purpose? To maintain the orders and establish the rules in the society. So it is nothing but it is a pattern of influence the social behavior. Okay, so it is one of the social control is there. So if any misbehavior done by any particular individual person or the group of persons in a society, some kind of the violation they did, some kind of the crime is they did, so for that some laws are there, some rules are there to control their behavior, to punish them for their particular misbehavior. That is your social control. Okay. Or if we are talking about the informal social control, so that is some mores are there, so which is essential behavior is there. So whatever the behavior decided, whatever the things comes under the particular mores, that is saluting the flag or stand up while national anthem is going on. So if it is not followed by the particular individual person, for that also punishment is there. Okay, so like that. So it is a social control. What is the definition of the social control? Social control is nothing but it is a pressure which society to maintain order and establishing the head rule is a social control. So pattern of pressure which society means which apply to maintain the order and establish head rules is a social control. Okay, so just is what it is the maintain the pressure, or it is the pattern of pressure to influence the social behavior, to maintain the order, establish the rules is your social control. Okay, so then we move towards the next slide, that is the need of the social control. Why it is needed? Why it should be need of control in a society? So social control needed for a stability, that is order, growth and development of the society. So for the growth and development of the society, stability is very essential. For stability there is a social control is needed. Then it regulate the behavior of the members come under the social control. So it regulate the behavior of the members who are living in the particular society. Okay, so how? By giving them some restrictions according to their religion, according to their particular society where they are living. So some rules, regulations are there. So if they are not following that, so they are going to be punished. So to regulate the behavior of the members who are come under the particular social control, they should follow that particular rules and regulation. Then third one is it influence the people to conform to the mores and encourage them to do right things. So I already told you whatever the mores are there, as I am giving the example to you, that is saluting the flag or to stand up while national anthem is going on. So to influence the people to follow these mores, okay, so they can encourage, so by following the particular mores they can encourage to do right things. So that is one of the need of the social control is there. It act as a restraints against disapproval behavior. Okay, so I already told you that is if any disapproval behavior done by the particular individual person, okay, or the group of people in the particular society, some restraints or some action should be taken according towards the particular disapproval behavior. Then social control helps in a maintenance of the desired social values. That is a conformity which makes modification. So it maintains the desired social values. So we already know what is the values. Values is nothing but it is one of the guidepost to give the guidance or to advise or to the particular person do right thing in a right way, in a right direction, to see towards the particular thing in a positive way or in a right direction. Okay, so to do to take any decision, before that it should uh, thinking over particular thing or particular person or particular behavior. So that is your need of the social control is here. Then next is a important point is here, means of social control. So which means you can control your society or your members of the particular society who are living in a particular area, particular community, particular society or particular religion. So these are the some means of social control is here. So which are the means of social control? The first means of social control, again there is some informal and formal means of social control is there. So which are the informal social control? The socialization is there, belief is there, suggestion and limitations, emotional appeal, custom, folkways, norms and more. These are the informal means of social control. Okay, and laws and education are formal means of social control. So this is about your means of social control, and we are going to discuss one by one what is this means of social control under this particular topic. So as you shown in this diagram, these are the means of social control. We are going to so means of social control, there's informal means of social control is there. The first one is the socialization. So in this process, people communicate, associate and conform and cooperative with each other or together. So people who are living in the particular society, they should be communicate, associate, which association having with each other, different kind of the social groups are there, they form, confirmation is there and cooperation is there. So are they living together? It is a socialization. So means of this socialization we can control over the society. Then belief are the as acceptance form of proposition is as a true. So whatever the belief of a particular person according to their religion, its particular god is there, goddess is there. So there is a different kind of the beliefs are there. Okay, in their particular supernatural powers. So they are live together, live according to or behave according to that in a society. This is one of the social control is there. Then suggestions are there. It is implementation of ideas and feelings in the people. So whatever implementation of idea is there or what kind of the feelings are there, so to giving the suggestion to the peoples related to their feelings, their ideas, so they can having some social control over their behavior to do what you should do or what you should not do in a particular way. So then the emotional appeal. So it is one of the art of expression of control. Okay. So people having different kind of the emotions, but sometimes if the people getting depressed, okay, in a particular situation, to control that type of the expressions of emotions, that will be the one of the social control is here. The emotional appeal. People can share their things with each other if they are getting more emotional, if getting the more depressed or any type of this situation is there. So that should be the control over the through this means of social control. That is emotional appeal. Custom. So we already discussed about this customs in a cultural concept. There is a custom is a word. It is a socially accredited way of acting in a society. Under that, different kind of the customs classification are there. So custom is nothing but it is already some ways are there or some rules are there. So you should go in line with that particular socially accredited ways. You should act like that in your society. So what are that customs? That is a folkways is there. It is a customary way of behaving in the society, and it is one of the informal rule of behavior based on the habits and traditions. So what are your habits are there? What are your traditions are there? For example, respecting elders by namaskar or greeting elders with the folding head that is a namaskar. One of the example is there. Morse, I already told you, it is one of the essential behavior you should perform in a society. It's a pattern of behavior which is essential, which is considered as essential. Okay, it is the most acceptable way of behavior. It involves some moral standards. That is saluting the flag, standing during the playing of the national anthem. So these are the examples. Norms is there. Now, if you are not follow the Morse, punishment will be there. Okay, so it will be the control the individual. Okay, for their behavior. Norms are there. You know very well. It is a blueprint of behavior. So honesty is there, awareness is there. It is established behavior pattern for the members of a social system. Okay, norms. So it is established behavior pattern is there. You already established within you. Honesty is a thing, is one of the example of this norms is there. It is a blueprint of your behavior, how you behave in the society, by your culture, by your customs, whatever you having with yourself. Then the next is a formal means. Formal means of social control. It's the law and education is there. So law is nothing but it is a body of rule enacted by the legally authorized body. Some bodies are there, some agencies are there, which is enforced by particular behavior of the persons. So define the clearly rights are there, duties as well as the punishment for their violation. So different kind of the laws is law structures are there according to the misbehavior of the particular person if it did in the particular society. So this is one of the things is there to control over the behavior of the people in a living with a particular society. Then the education. So education is very essential for the process of socialization. Okay, so people can having the knowledge, they can communicate with each other, they have conversation with each other. Okay, so they can having the cooperation with each other. It teaches value of discipline, social cooperation, tolerance and sacrifices. For that purpose education is very essential to control the behavior of the individual, that is a social control. So these are the some information related to the social control. It is a very simple topic, and question comes on this particular social control topic is a what is a social control, what are the means of social control. So this type of the question will be asked in your semester examination, and objective related to this topic. So this is about our today's topic. This is some of the reference we already discussed in the previous class also. Okay, so go through the details. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment box. Thank you.